So my business coach said, you need to be here, and I didn't question her expertise, and I have not regretted 1 second of the last 3 days. What I have learned and the clarity that I've been able to create in my message is immeasurable. Like, I seriously feel like I just birthed a baby, because all of the pieces have come together into this beautiful offering. So I'm super excited. Every hour you're learning something new, you're interacting, you're getting feedback from your fellow attendees. But probably my most favorite part has been being surrounded with an entire team from Video Power Marketing that has years and years and years of expertise. Probably, I would dare guess, over 100 years of combined effort of each person being the expert in their field, and we just get to hang out with them and let them teach us and feed into us all day for the entire workshop. It's been amazing. It'd be easier to say, who wouldn't you recommend this for, right? Anyone with a business that has a product, a service, a message to bring to the world. This is an incredibly powerful vehicle to take it from conception to market, or to take where you're at in the market to your next level. I mean, there's really no parameters you can put on how much success you can create once you have this skill set that I've learned here this week.